look at the sector, this is basically transportation sector, which is a service sector, which is an enabling sector for manufacturing and services. Now, if you look at India, we have roads as the largest transportation sector, and then rail, and then coastal. So, if you look at that, it's something which is not very appropriate, because if cost of transportation or cost of logistics has to be reduced, it's best to move as much as possible by either sea route or through the rail route, because these are the cheapest modes of transportation. And in keeping that in light, I think the government has taken this initiative, which is extremely welcome, to develop coastal shipping and as well as inland waterways. Some of the developed countries in Europe and other places, this is functioning very well. In India also, a lot of coastal trade is being done by companies like us, where we are moving cargoes from large parcels of cargoes from both Paradeep and Vizag to Hazira. So, from the east coast where the minerals are to the west coast where the factories are and the consumption centers are. So, the most important thing for this is that the intermodal transportation should be well developed. There should be a good hub and spoke system. There should be various ports and jetties which can enable the cargoes to come down and get discharged. So, there is proper dredging available, and then from there the proper stacking can take place, and then movement from there through rail and road. So, this is a system which will enable the entire manufacturing process to move much more smoothly. Not only manufacturing costs will come down, but also the distribution cost will come down, and that can really make India much more competitive worldwide. So, I think it's a very welcome step, and the government is taking initiatives. It's not that this is the first time that someone has thought about it, but the important thing is that implementation is what is most important.